Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna everyone. Welcome to my channel. So today we are show you a simulation on TinkerCAD. Here we show today a capacitor. So first create here a circuit, new circuit. This one. Okay, here we need some component. First a capacitor, this one, and a resistor. Here a LED light and two switches. This one and this one, and a power source. Here power source we use a battery also, and we use a other power source also. Yeah, power supply, this one digital. So we remove simply this one. We use this one. So here we resistance 1 kilo ohm. Okay, that's fine. We reverse this LED. Okay, nice. Voltage we give 9 voltage. So this is same as battery, which gives 9 volt, same like this one. And capacitor is 1000. So we use more energy stored in this capacitor. So अपन क्या करेंगे, first do the wire connection. So this is positive terminal anode, so connect here directly. Okay, and connect this terminal. यहाँ इससे सीधा वायरिंग कनेक्शन करेंगे और इसके टर्मिनल 1 टर्मिनल 2 पे दे देंगे. Here we have two capacitor. You see this here also capacitor. We also use this capacitor also instead of this. Both give us two same results. Yeah, this one. So we use this or use this. Don't worry, both are same. So generally we use this one. If you want to use this, and you can use this. So we remove simply this one. Simply we will do a positive wire red. Yes, this one. Here and now turn to negative wire. Now our circuit is ready to start simulate. Here we give 9 voltage. So first charge this. See these lights, it's on. It's turn on, is simply turn off here. But the power is goes to the capacitor through this power supply. So if we disconnect through this power supply, then only the stored energy of capacitor comes to into the LED. See this. See these LEDs. This properly off. This properly on. First charge this. See once, yeah, something charge stored energy in the capacitor. Now turn off. See the capacitor give the energy to our LED. See this? Yeah. हाँ, अपन इसको डिजिटल डिस्प्ले में भी दे सकते हैं कितनी पावर. सो उसके लिए अपन को एक मल्टीमीटर यूज करना पड़ेगा. यूज मल्टीमीटर. या दिस वन इज our multimeter. Yeah, this one. So directly this negative terminal connect to the okay, and now positive terminal used positive. This one. Now start simulating. So first we start see this LED is on. Here we got 9 volt because the power supply is 9 volts. So directly it comes into the multimeter. But if we switch off, see this decreases the LED light because the power will be decreases here also. See this. Now again a volt. बट अगर अपन ने ये बंद किया स्विच ऑफ को, अब इसमें 9 वोल्ट स्टोर हो रखी है अभी के टाइम बिकॉज देर आर नो यूज ऑफ दिस एनर्जी विच इज स्टोर्ड इन और कैपेसिटर. अब एलईडी में यूज लेंगे अपन इसको. सी दिस पावर इज डिक्रीजेस. हाँ, इसको एक ग्राफ के थ्रू भी अपन देख सकते हैं. ऑसिलोस्कोप या दिस वन इज और ऑसिलोस्कोप. You can see here this one is negative terminal. First use positive terminal here. And now negative terminal. Now see this. It will be constant 9 volt here through it. We start the LED and 9 voltage. If we keep turn off the LED, 9, yeah, it will be constant in this display and this display both. Stored energy 9 volt. बट अब अपन इस एनर्जी को यूज करेंगे एलईडी में तो डिक्रीज होगी इसकी एनर्जी. यहाँ यहाँ आपको फ्लक्चुएशन दिखाई देंगे. सी दिस वन. मैं वापस से अगर बंद कर दूं हो सी दिस ग्राफ ये डिक्रीज हो रही है. ये लाइट भी बंद हो रही है. अगर मैं वापस से सी दिस सी दिस सी दिस एनर्जी. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. हाँ, बट इसका आपको वो दिखाते हैं सर्किट डायग्राम. दिस वन इज और सर्किट डायग्राम. Yeah, this one, and this one is component we will use in this simulation. See this. हाँ, इसकी जगह अपन पावर यूज भी जैसा मैंने बताया था पावर यूज ले सकते हैं. आपको बता ही देता हूँ. बैटरी. See this 9 volt battery. If you want to use this, you can use this also. So this one is positive terminal, use here, and this one is negative terminal, use here. See, same equation will become here. Yeah, 9 volt, not 9, but see this 9 voltage. So turn off. See this again, this LED 9 voltage. So okay, thank you.